गाइस इसने मुझे बंदर बना दिया है। अगर मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ मैं ये सब हटा दूँगी वीडियो से। Dude, it's learning. I know, girl math. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I think I am coming back to my channel after a really long time. I've posted couple videos related to my travel and I have a lot in pipeline, trust me when I say that. I thought let's just shift gears to makeup and skincare haul. Let's get into the video. While I open the box, there is some live music for you guys. Please enjoy. So in this box, I think मैंने थोड़े essentials ही मंगा रखे हैं. Start with hair care. Yeah. So that's my natural hair. Extremely wavy and curly on day 1 of my hair wash. This is day 2. Day 2 ये थोड़े ऐसे they flatten out from the top, but the curls kind of get more defined, which I love. Number 1. We have this L'Oreal Cream Length. It's a leave-in conditioner. Also, it's a heat protectant. This is one holy grail that I have been using for past couple of months. Fun fact, I had a sealed bottle which I did not remember, and I ordered another one thinking that I don't have any, but it doesn't harm to have a spare bottle of something that you use so often. So I generally use it on my damp hair. And even on a regular day-to-day basis, if I feel my hair is getting tangled or something in the morning, I just take a pump of it and use it. I love it. These two I got as freebies. This I know it's good. I know it. This is going to be an experiment. Next, let's move on to skincare. This is an experimental cleanser that I got for myself. I have an oily, acne-prone skin, and I have a lot of cleansers. Maybe I can share that with you as well. मैंने बहुत सारे cleansers experiment करे अभी. So this is a cleanser that I got. It's called Episoft OC. I accidentally stumbled upon this product and the reviews were really good. So I thought of adding it to the cart. I have been using it for the last couple of days. And here's my review. It is good. So when you take the product, it has very thick consistency. I personally like. I feel that it will take out all the gunk of my face, but a lot of it is just left behind on my hand. It is so thick, तो आधा product मेरे हाथ पे रह जाता है. Let's start rating it. This for me is a 7 on 10. I said it. Next thing that we have is, I know people hate when people do this, but I kind of like it. I hope you do too. This is an under eye cream from Quench. I don't know if Kareena Kapoor is endorsing this brand or she co-owns it. It is a pretty budget under eye cream, which is why I got it. It has an applicator like this. One thing I love about it is it easily glides. I have had one under eye cream जिसमें ऐसा applicator था. It doesn't glide. There is some resistance between my skin and the product and the glider, but with this one it doesn't, which I love. I would say इसमें 10% fragrance है, which can bother some people. Some people might even like it, but for me, I'm in between both these parties. Some days it bothers me, some days it doesn't. I'm yet to see any results because I've just bought it. It has some good ingredients like lotus root, Saika, Korean ginseng. If you want to try a budget eye cream, I don't think go for this. I recently discovered that in the same range Minimalist का भी एक under eye cream है, which by the way has some good results. So do try that. I would skip it. But अगर मुझे कुछ genuine results मिले, I would definitely update you guys. A freebie, best. I have used a full bottle of this moisturizer. I know they don't need to send freebies to me. I love it. Niacinamide Serum from The Ordinary. This is my second bottle. I think I used up the first bottle real quick. It is really lightweight. It isn't greasy. It has no fragrance. Yeah, for the sake of continuity, I got a second bottle. There's also one cream in the market. It's not a serum. It's from Axis Y. I am reading really good reviews. मेरी ये bottle खत्म हो गई, so that is the one I'm gonna try next. Now इस पे I have seen results. Trust me when I say I have seen results. I am really acne prone, and niacinamide is supposed to kind of help with the skin texture and your production of oil and stuff like that. अगर मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ मैं ये सब हटा दूँगी वीडियो से. Anywho, but I think niacinamide has definitely to some extent helped with my skin texture. That's for sure. I have been advocating this brand, that is the one and the only Laneige. I used to call it Laneige, and then I saw that जिसमें इन्हीं के employees दूसरे employees को गलत pronunciation जाके बोलते हैं, and then they're like, dude, it's Laneige. Okay, it's Laneige. Anywho, this is a sleeping mask. Like I said, I have oily skin. I don't like something very heavy on my face, especially at night. So this is a water sleeping mask, which says that it helps with brightening, hydrating and softening. My honest review, I have been using it for like 5 days now. Some days I'm only using this on my face. Some days I'm using a combination of snail mucin, niacinamide and this. So when I wake up in the morning, I really feel that I have a really plump and soft skin. I don't know if it is actually doing something for my skin in the longer run, but on a day-to-day basis, it feels really good. Now, कहानी में एक twist है. So the twist in the story is I also ordered. I'm just waiting for the drums. It's one hell of a drug. This moisturizer from Dot & Key. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के ड्यूप नहीं है, but they are very close in texture, in application, and जो मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि नेक्स्ट डे सुबह उठ के मुझे बहुत प्लम्प, सॉफ्ट और हाइड्रेटेड फील होता है व्हेन आई यूज Laneige. I've used this for only a day, and trust me, मुझे कोई डिफरेंस नहीं लगा, कोई भी. Dot & Key. Just absolutely, I am in love with this product from Dot & Key. बहुत अच्छा है. You know, I was saving these डब्बास for this video. Thank God, अब मैं फेंक पाऊंगी इनको. And you know, they even have similar fragrances. What have you done, Dot & Key? What have you done, man? I love it. So वो प्रोडक्ट है जो मैंने थोड़ा ना प्योर प्रेशर में आके ले लिया. दिस कोलेजन अंडर आई क्रीम फ्रॉम द फेस शॉप. Days ago I went to Tira Beauty store on their birthday. So they were running some crazy discounts on these very expensive items, and I was getting a straight up 700 off. Guys, मेरा ना ये वाला फेस भी चल रहा है. मैं सारे कोरियन प्रोडक्ट्स ढूंढ रही हूँ अब. मुझे पता हूँ कि स्किन नेचुरली उतनी अच्छी होती है या वो प्रोडक्ट्स एक्चुअली उतने अच्छे हैं, बट आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू गिव इट अ ट्राई. रियली अनश्योर अबाउट इट बिकॉज इट्स प्रीटी एक्सपेंसिव, बट देन मैंने देखा इस पर फ्लैट 700 ऑफ मिल रहा था. सो दैट कन्विंस. डोंट कम एट मी. Fragrance wise, no, it doesn't. There is like a very tiny percentage of fragrance, 8% fragrance होगा, but it is not something that is bothering me. So आप समझ जाओ बहुत कम है. Now we're just gonna dive into the makeup. Makeup मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लिया है. So guys, pro tip: don't fall for the advertisements. If you really need foundation, only then buy it. Three are here. I was looking for a nude brown lipstick, but with undertones of pink, and I found my soulmate in K by Katrina. So K by Katrina, I think, is killing it at the makeup game. At an affordable range of makeup, I think काफ़ी अच्छे products हैं. ये मैंने सुबह से लगा रखे guys. I was working since morning. मेल्टेड बटर आप लगा लो अपने लिप्स पे. ये एकदम मेल्टेड बटर जैसी लगती है, विच आई लव. एंड लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स जनरली डू नॉट गिव दैट एक्सपीरियंस. ट्रांसफर प्रूफ. So I hate when in office I'm having coffee or tea and my lipstick kind of just transfers to the edges of the cup. I feel really yuck. एकदम मेरे को ना बड़ी disgusting feeling आती है. That is why I was looking for something that gives a nice shade, doesn't transfer, doesn't feel like liquid lipstick. मतलब it's a lot to ask from a liquid lipstick यार, कि तुम ट्रांसफर भी मत दो, ऐसे बटरी फीलिंग भी दो और तुम शेड भी अच्छा दो. But our dearest Catty has killed it. Love you, Katrina. So let's go into another product. Now this brand has been doing rounds on my page. मतलब ये मेरा ना थोड़ा influence वाला buy था. Into Nykaa and Sephora to try the lip tints. Lip tints and cheek tints are really going viral this summer, and for the right reasons. For summers, you don't want anything heavy on your face, and yet you want that summer radiant glow, you want that beach look, your island girl look, and all that. This is a newly launched product from Kiro. It's an afterglow lip and cheek tint. Let's read what they claim. Soft flush, subtle sheen, non-sticky, super hydrating, blends effortlessly, long lasting. Long lasting, not really. I applied it in the morning, it's gone. So guys, I don't know about long lasting. If it stays back on the brush, so I used it in the morning. Yeah, you can see. This is how it blends. It has a good stain, but a lot of it is left over on the brush. So let me see अगर ये brush से इधर transfer होता है. I think हो रहा है. अगर मैं directly ये लगाऊंगी तो I think it will be just too much for my face. Just take one dot. Just FYI for me, there is no better blush than Rare Beauty. I have used Rare Beauty's soft pinch blush. I have used their cream blush. I think Rare Beauty kills it. Guys, इसने मुझे बंदर बना दिया है. What the? I might have to do the rest of the video like that. Super pigmented. I feel watery when I apply it on my cheeks. It isn't like कि मैंने water tint डाली है. I still feel there is a bit of a cream-ish texture. Okay, I think we rescued me. I still have some over here, but let's just continue with the video. Last and but not the least, I was eyeing this product for the longest time. Yeah, देखो, some makeup products are your guilty pleasures, and this one is mine. So this is the Benefit Brow Pencil in the shade 5. This stick specially is really blendable. So why Benefit? Because I feel this one has been rated the top, you know. This thing, pencil. I kind of wanted to see what the hype is about. So when I actually, you know, went in Sephora store, the way that women did my eyebrows, I was in love. कि dude ये क्या कर दिया है? And why am I not doing it till now? ये मैं first time try कर रही हूँ guys. Don't kill me. So normally इस पे कोई discount नहीं आता. It's pretty expensive. Maybe even not necessary also to buy. But like I said, it was my guilty pleasure. So I bought it. कुछ difference दिखा? So that was my last purchase. I think there will be a learning curve with this pencil, and I'm all up for it. Anywho, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Dude, what are you doing? And hit the bell icon for more videos, guys. Bye. See you next time.